Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to make a single layer quick batch of cards. So I have 3 top folded A2 size card bases and 3 stencils from the June release at 𝐬𝐿𝐹 Life Designs. Now here's a photo of the finished cards, but it's really simple. I just basically used some mint tape to hold the card base down on my turntable setup here and did some very simple ink blending directly on the card base. So if you're not comfortable working right on a card base, you could absolutely do the same thing on a panel of cardstock, but I didn't see any need here. I was comfortable working directly on the card base to save on paper and on bulk. So I grabbed a few colors here. This is the new Glacier and Succulent, as well as On the Lake. These are 3 colors from 𝗂𝗄𝗄𝗆 that I felt would work really well together. And I have the Connected Cogs stencil. This is one of many new stencils in the release, so be sure to check out the rest. I do have a coupon, AmyFan10. If you shop for anything at 𝐬𝐿𝐹 Life Designs, be sure to use that code at checkout to save on your complete order. And you can use that for anything in the shop other than the Master Creator bundles, because those are already so deeply discounted. But basically I'm using 3 colors that work well together, so it doesn't really matter what order I go in. But I am coming in with that darkest Glacier color on the left just to really kind of bring that design in, and then I have it kind of faded off a little bit to white on the right. So I'm basically going to do all the ink blending first and then move on to the next step. So next up I have the Tiki Room stencil, and I'm using the Cashmere color, which is also another new one. And then I'm trying to remember the other 2 colors that I used. If I don't mention it in a moment here, I'll try and remember to link it below. If I forget, do let me know in the comments. But basically I'm just using this nice neutral color and then a pink and a purple to complement it and to complete this design. And again, I'm just kind of working in stripes. Oh, this color would be probably quartz based on the groupings that I have together in my crafty stash. I kind of have a lot of the new ones from the Spa collection grouped together. I don't remember the name of this purple one. I apologize, but these 3 worked beautifully together, and I left it white on the edges with just a little bit of the ink blending kind of going off to the side. Now this is Gear Mask Stencil. She calls the stencils mask stencils when they kind of don't have a uniform shape. As you can see, this is kind of a fun shape. There, again, I'm using a combination, I think, of On the Lake, quartz, and maybe that new Succulent color. So this is kind of a more pastel, kind of a, I don't know, a lighter blend of colors. But again, I'm doing them next to a color that they get along with. Like the green gets along with the blue and the pink gets along with the blue. So in this case, with color theory, the blue in the center is going to be the one that kind of binds the other 2 colors. Whereas if you were to mix the pink and the green, it would kind of muddy it up to more of a neutral color. So now I'm just going to determine how I want to finish the card. So I'm going to shop my sentiment binder here. This is my storage solution for all my sentiments that are die cut out. Some are stamped and die cut, some are just standalone dies, but I have a whole bunch of them with different categories. I have them sectioned off with different separator sheets now, and I'm just going to kind of pull some out and hold them up to the card and figure out what direction I want to go. I don't have any specific theme in mind. I'm just kind of going more along the lines of what colors I stamped with and what designs work best with the layout. I don't typically have a plan. Occasionally I'll make a card with a person in mind, but for the most part, I like to kind of just play and see where it takes me. I don't really have a plan in mind. So these are gorgeous new stamp and die sets from a collaboration between Christina Werner and Concord and 9th. This is another one, Christina Werner and Concord and 9th. Many of these would have worked. You saw in the photo what I ended up going with. Stick around a moment and I'll show you everything kind of put together. I'm being a little willy-nilly here trying to figure out, oh, that Thanks So Much. That's a new to me set from Concord and 9th. I absolutely love their dies. But sometimes I'll cut them all out in white with both the word and the shadow layer, because that way I can custom color like I'm doing here by just pouncing that cashmere color right onto the word die cut, and then I can pick that up and then just liquid glue that down to the white shadow layer. Now I decided I wanted to take it to the next level, so I did grab my corner chomper here, and I'm just doing a variation. That one I'm going to leave alone. This one I'm going to do all 4 corners. So I kind of just look at the design and if there's round elements and if it suits it. Now I'm going to use my custom stamp that I got from Jessica Lynn Original. It's a nice small woman-owned business. She'll make custom stamps for you, but she does have loads of other awesome stamps in her shop. And now to finish them off, I'm just going to pick some card bling. So I think I stuck with neutrals in this case for these 3 cards. I'll show you in a moment what I ended up going with, but there are loads of different colors to choose from. I could have picked some that really match the colors within the card, but I was just feeling neutrals in this case. So I think I did luminous white, luminous creamy, and crystal iris aurora borealis. So I used the luminous white on this one here with the You're on My Mind with that Christina Werner set. This one's Sweet Friend. I did the aurora borealis. I really love how that worked. And that sub-sentiment with the thank you also came with that set. And then this one, oh, maybe that, yeah, that was the creamy one, the luminous creamy. So many options, so many choices. Be sure to check out the rest, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.